How to schedule a post on Instagram in 2026. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open your account, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what you're going to do is make sure you have a professional account. So if you're trying to schedule a post with your normal private account or your public personal account, you won't be able to do that. Make sure you have your account switched to professional. For that, you can simply get into your account icon on the bottom right corner right here. Then from here, tap on the menu bar on the top right corner right here. We'll get into settings and activity, from where if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see the option of creator tools, right? So simply tap on that option. Then you will get the option of switch to professional. Simply tap on switch to professional, and then you'll be able to select whether you are a creator or a business account. Simply do that according to what you want, and then you'll be able to switch your account from your personal account to a professional account. Then from here, you can simply tap on the plus icon on the top left corner right here and start creating your post. Simply select your photo or video, and in here you can edit it. If you want to add audio, you can do that. Then tap on next. If you want to add captions, you can do that. Do all of that, and before posting it, simply tap on more options right here. You'll get the option of schedule this post. Simply turn that on just like this, then tap on continue scheduling. Then you'll be able to select the exact time and date. Simply select it just like this. Then all you need to do is simply tap on done just like this. So after doing that, what we're going to do is go back, and in here tap on continue scheduling, and then simply tap on the option schedule right here. So after doing that, here you can see your post has now been started to schedule. Now here you can see it has already been posted. So if you go to your profile right here, it won't show here yet because it will only be posted to the exact time and date that you have scheduled your post to. So yeah, that is it.